Hello, my name is Keshwani. That's K-E-S-H-W-A-N-I, Keshwani. We are here because we want to prepare for GRE. We have been solving GRE math problems out of this book here, the official guide to the revised GRE, the second edition. If you do not own this book already, purchase one immediately. You're going to need it. The problems that we are about to solve are the ones that you will find on page number 220. Please turn to it, page number 220, and today is our lesson number 305. These problems that you see on page number 220 are the exact same problem that appeared on the exact same page number in the first edition of the revised GRE. We have already solved all the problems from the first edition. We are simply redoing the problems. If you're interested in watching the original solution, you will find the original solution to the original solutions to the problem that we are about to do on day number 91. Right now, we're just going to do the same exact problem at a little bit of a faster pace. And these problems, by the way, are not the problems that you're going to find them in the book. That's why it says here, bonus problems. These are bonus percentage problems. They are not in the book. So here's the first one. It says 75% of 44. 75% of 44 is same as 30% of what? We're going to use our percentage dictionary here to translate every single word for word. 75% means over 100 or out of 100. That's what the word percent literally means, per 100. 75% means 75 over 100. Of means, the word of means times or multiply. 44 is same as, that's your equal sign, is same as is the equal sign. And then 30, again percent means over 100, times, of means times, and then what is our unknown, x. That's it. There is your equation. Getting the right equation is the most important part, most crucial step. And we have done that. Now we simply have to solve for x. If we multiply both sides of the equation by 100, the 100 drops out, and we're left with x is equal to 75 times 44 over 30. That's it, we're done. Divide top and bottom by 5. 6 5s are 35, and 75 is how many 5s? I don't know how many 5s 75 has, so I'm going to do one digit at a time. Actually, 75 has 15 5s, and I'll tell you why I figured out all of a sudden. Because 75 cents is 3 quarters, and each quarter has 5 nickels. So, how many 5s in a 7? 7 has 1 5. The remaining 2 goes and joins the 5, becomes 25, and 25 has 5 5s. Now what I said a little while ago, a second ago, about the nickels and the quarter and all that, if you didn't understand it, because you're not from the US, then don't worry about it. Nickel is what the Americans call 5 cents, and quarters are 25 cents obviously. Divide top and bottom by 3. If you divide top and bottom by 3, the 6 becomes 2, and 15 will become 5. Divide top and bottom by 2 one more time, and 44 will become 22, and 2 will disappear. So we have 5 times 22, x equals 5 times 22 over 110. That's it. You're done. Let's quickly verify to make sure that our answer is correct. According to the answer, 75% of 44 has to be the same as 30% of this number, 110. See? What we're claiming here is this. What we're claiming is that 75% of 44 is same as 30% of this guy. The what part is 110. So this is what we're claiming. So let's find out. 75% of 44, 75% is same as 3 quarters. This is same as 3 quarters. So 3 quarter of 44, obviously quarter of 44 is 11, so 3 quarters is going to be 33, as you can clearly see. Divide top and bottom by 4, and we get 11 times 3, which is 33. Let's see what we get on this side. We know 10% of 110. 10% of 110 would be 11, and therefore 30% is going to be 3 times as much. There you go. 30% of 110 is 33, which is exactly what we have here. It works. It works fine. Let's do one more. That's it. We're done with this one. Give you a couple of seconds. I was about to say I'll give you a couple of seconds to take it in, to inhale it, but of course we do not want to inhale it. Mr. Clinton says it's not a good idea. Again, there I go. I'm talking about all this nonsense which you will have no idea what I'm talking about unless you know a little bit of the US politics from years and years ago. He does not believe in inhaling, you understand? Mr. Clinton, that is. I did not inhale. 40% or 30% of what is 36. Again, same exact thing. We're going to translate this thing word by word. Word by word. Do not skip any word. If you do that, if you translate it word by word, you will see that the correct equation will emerge automatically. We won't have to do anything. It will emerge by itself. 40% means over 100. Of means times. 30% means over 100. Of means times. What is our unknown? Is means equals. And 36. Voila. That's it. We just have to solve for x. So let's get the x by itself. X is going to be 36 times 100 times another 100 over 40 times 30. Now if I lost you from here to here, if I lost you from going from here to here, then don't fret, don't worry too much about it. Just go and watch the original solution on day number 91 where I go where I go at a slower pace, where I explain every single step. Here I'm not going to do it. So if you need that kind of help, you can go and watch day 91. Divide top and bottom by 100, that will knock out 2 zeros and that will take care of 100. Let's divide top and bottom by 4, so 100 becomes 25. And let's divide top and bottom by 3. So we end up with 3 has 1 3's in it and 6 has 2 3's. 12 times 25. How much is 12 times 25? How the hell do I know how much is 12 times 25? I know 4 times 25 is 100, and therefore 825 will make 200 and 1225 should make 300. So that's it, that's what we're claiming. We are claiming that this what part here, the what part here is 300. So let's put it in here. Where it says what, we're going to put 300. So what we are claiming here is this part. We are claiming that 40% of 30% of 300 is 36. Let's quickly verify it. First we have to figure out 30% of 300, which is very straightforward. 10% of 300 is 30, obviously, and therefore 30% is going to be 3 times as much, which is 90. And now we have to show that 40% of 90 comes out to be 36. 40% of 90 is what we have to figure out. Again, we know 10% of 90 is 9. 10% of 90 is 9, of course, and therefore 40% is going to be 4 times as much. 36, voila. You see, that's what we claim. Our claim was, when we solved for x, we found x to be 300, and therefore what we are claiming is that 30% or 40% of this number is 36, which is exactly what it is, because 30% of 300 is 90, and 40% of that comes out to be 36. That's it. It works. I will see you tomorrow, where we'll continue with our journey here. Let's see what are we going to do on 306 tomorrow. It looks like we're done with all the percentage problems. Tomorrow we'll do ratio problems. Alright? Bye now.